For those of you who know me, you know how much I love Himalayan salt. I use it for all my cooking. I have Himalayan salt inhalers, I have the salt lamps around my house, and I make Himalayan Salt Sole. Now some of you might ask, but isn't salt bad for us? If you're talking about the typical table salt that you find in most homes and restaurants, you're absolutely right. It's horrible for us. It is so processed, it's basically stripped to death of any possible nutritional value that it could have. And did you know that table salt, your typical table salt, is actually bleached to make it look white? That can't be good for us, right? Himalayan salt is the complete opposite. It contains over 80 trace minerals that our body needs. I consume it every day. One of my favorite ways is with the Himalayan Salt Sole, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So to make this awesome concoction, you're going to need your Himalayan salt. I personally buy these 2-pound bags from Amazon. You're going to need a glass jar, but very important, most glass jars come with metal lids. You do not want to use anything that's metal when it comes to the Himalayan Salt Sole because of the oxidation that happens with metals and salt, right? But no worries, these plastic lids are very easy to find. Target, Walmart, Amazon, no big deal. And you're going to need good quality water. Those are the only 3 things that you need, and the rest is super easy. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your jar and fill it up 1/3 of the way with Himalayan salt. The rest of the jar, you're going to fill it up with your water. You're going to close your lid and you're going to let it sit for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, you're going to check on your jar, and you want to make sure that you have some salt actually left at the bottom of the jar. If after 24 hours all the salt is actually dissolved, that means that you didn't put enough salt to begin with, and the solution is not balanced. That's a key way of knowing if you have a balanced solution. You always want to make sure that you have plenty of salt rock left at the bottom of your jar, all right? So now, how do you consume this? It's very simple. You're not going to just chug it. What you do, you open up the jar. You can stir it a little bit just to make sure that the water is cloudy. And again, don't use anything that's metal. So you're going to take a plastic or wooden teaspoon, and you're going to put it in your water. And that's it. You drink up. Cheers.